notice you yawn when you're tired or bored? Turns out, it's not just about sleep. Your brain might be overheating. When you yawn, you take in a big gulp of air and stretch your jaw. That cool air? It rushes past your brain, bringing down its temperature, just like flipping on the air conditioner. Scientists believe a cool brain helps you stay alert and focused. That's why you yawn more when you're sleepy, stressed, or even before a big game. Your brain wants to be at its best. Even animals do it. So next time you catch yourself yawning, remember your brain's just trying to chill out, literally. Stay curious.